I'll let you let that sink in for a little bit. And no, I'm not walking downhill. And it's running. Oh my God. That is a first, everybody. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, man, I could put a hole in the roof. Well, at least it's draining the proper direction. I mean, I'll give it that. And it didn't rip out the power wires or anything, but my God. That's why you screw them down to the curb. I mean, jump back. Let me jump back. I don't think I need my level to show that that's crooked. Wow. Hey, look, overcast, everybody. Welcome to Pittsburgh. All right, I might be able to shove that straight. I'm gonna shut the breaker off and try to jostle it around a little bit. This is a first for me. I've been doing heating and air half my life. Okay, have a good day. Okay. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely crooked. Okay. That's right. That's right. That's how it's done. Okay guys, looking a lot better. I centered it a little bit more on the curb. Now, I put the screws on both, or the big screws on both sides. 1, 2, and 3. Go to the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And they went right into the curb. So we better have a heck of a strong wind to break those screws or rip the entire curb out of the roof. But that's beyond my jurisdiction. So it is what it is, guys. I was just asking to evaluate equipment, but I like going above and beyond sometimes. Actually, a lot of times, because that's customer service. All right, guys, have a good day.